Tamanna Singh, and I've just completed my class 12 and I've scored 92.2% marks. I'm a BCom professional student and a CA aspirant. I have an Instagram page which is Inciting Voices, where I write quotes and motivational content. So I started that page on 29th of July, and now I have approximately 900 people following me. I've worked for 2 books which we call anthologies, because many writers together make a book which are known as anthology. So that cannot be called a book, but it's an anthology. One of my anthologies got published yesterday, and the other one is yet to be published. So this is all about me. We are here for a motivational session. Can anybody tell me what does perspective mean?
Perspective means drishtikon.
What?
Perspective means as a synonym is aspect means drishtikon.
Yes. Anybody else? No? View of something. Perspective basically means mindset. How we look at things. We should always have a positive perspective towards things. Only a positive perspective can help you unlock the doors of success. And I'll tell you how to change your perspective towards positivity, because that is what we require as a human being to make our lives easy. The first one is change your inputs. Inputs in the sense means change what you see. Read more of motivational books, motivational stuff, positive stuff, rather than watching entertainment things like reels on Instagram. I'm sure everybody must be watching reels. The second one is manage your expectations. Expectations क्या होता है मुझे कोई बताए? Expectations. Anybody?
Expectation is when we accept something the people unnecessary. That everyone is not normal, similar to people are expected.
Absolutely right.
It comes to that expectation always hurt us. When we accept something, if we are not treated like that, so it will hurt us. What the human expect, I should be treated like this, I should be behaved like this. If it doesn't happen, then it's not.
उम्मीद. एक्सपेक्टेशन बेसिकली मीन्स किसी से कुछ भी उम्मीद करना. लाइफ की हैप्पीनेस का सिर्फ एक ही फंडा है. लाइफ में से जब एक्सपेक्टेशंस को सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे ना, तो हैप्पीनेस ही हैप्पीनेस मिलेगी. Whether the person is very closely related to you, whether he or she is not related to you, do not expect. Never. Because at the end, you'll hurt yourself. For sure. Nobody in this world is meant to fulfill your expectations. Nobody. They'll not do it for you. Because we expect in ourselves. We do not tell them that I am expecting this from you. And even if we say it to them, they have their own lives also. Maybe they're connected to us. Maybe we are a part of their life. But we are not their life. We cannot expect everything. Like if I text somebody, he has to reply in 5 seconds. Because that person is important to me, I am important to that person, he has to do it. I'm expecting this. I cannot do that. If I do it, he'll not reply in 5 seconds, then I'll hurt myself. And that is the worst thing you're doing to yourself. Expecting from somebody. The only person you should expect from is your parents, and your parents must expect something from you, because you are meant to make them feel proud. They should be proud of you. They should feel proud that they have given birth to you, and everybody of you are amazing. Nobody is less here. We all are equal, right? And the third thing is to acknowledge that nothing is permanent. Nothing in this world is permanent, not even the human beings. For here, what I mean basically is, when we are in a situation where we are like, I cannot do it, I wanted to do it, but I can't. I'll not be able to do it. I'm surrounded by so many problems. What will I do? But do you think that problems will last forever? Do you? No, they won't. These problems will never last forever. There will be a point of time when that problem will become a past, and you'll be sitting and laughing at yourself that was the time I was thinking how foolish I am. And see, now it has all gone. It became a history. It's no longer existing.